guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crown K, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this makeup look that I did. I think I look like a little fairy with these colors. Like, I wanted to do a makeup look and I haven't done anything like out of the box lately, so I'm like, let me just play around and see what I get. Like, I had no plans or any like vision, better yet, of what I was gonna do when I started doing my makeup today, and this is what I came up with. I think it looks really pretty. Like, let me know down below how you feel. Like, are you liking this makeup look? And also guys, I styled this wig. This is a lace frontal wig and I've reviewed this wig before. It's from Allove hair and I styled it to go with this makeup look. I wanted to do like a half up, half down, and I don't know, I ended up with these and I think it's so cute. At first I had like little buns, then I pulled, like, you know, I took the buns out, and I think this looks so cute. So like, if you want to see how I achieved this, then you should definitely keep on watching. If you're not subscribed yet, then what are you waiting on? Like, subscribe to my channel, please. It's free, it doesn't cost you nothing. Also guys, oh my god, I think I'm rambling and I'm all over the place. I'm starting something new on my channel. Like, every week when I start my videos, guys, I will give a shout out to one of my subscribers, and this person will be called my crowned crush. Like, you will get a shout out whenever my video starts. Like, every week it'll be somewhat different. To qualify, like, to be my crowned crush, you have to be subscribed to my channel. And guys, be sure to turn your post notifications on, because the first person that comments under my video automatically is like entered into being my crowned crush. So be sure to comment, be sure to leave likes, and be sure to just show me my love, and from that I will definitely choose a crowned crush every week, and I'll add your name on my video and give you a shout out. Like, you guys show me so much love, and it's only right that I show y'all the same love. So be sure to show me my love, and you might be my crowned crush of the week. Okay, anyways, let's get into this video. I know I rambled and I was all over the place, but if you want to see how I achieve this bomb ass makeup look and this really cute hairstyle, then you should definitely keep on watching.
And this hair is from Allove Hair. It's their 24-inch body wave lace frontal wig, and you can go check out my previous video on how I installed this wig, and I literally just played around and showed you guys a few styles that you could easily achieve on this wig. And that's basically it for this video. Just sit back and enjoy the looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you in my next one. Bye.